If you look here, 0. There's one more item which you have to look at, and that's the support bearing. To check that support bearing, it's very easy. You can be looking inside with the light, changing the directions of the light. I already saw it's not really great inside, or you can just grab it and check for a play. And if you will find what I have found, then you don't have to be questioning the other areas. You can pretty confidently go for a repair or replacement. It's not a repair, replacement of the support bearing. Let me show you what is not acceptable anymore. I'm not sure what angle or how good light we have, but especially here, that's too much play. And when you will put a load on the vehicle, that will start making ruckus right here. This is not acceptable, and this job should be the first thing you will do, fixing the vibration, driveline vibration under the load. It will go away when you coast. There's no load on it. It will stop because it just rotates there happily, unless it was completely fallen apart and the rubber was missing. In this stage you will not feel it, any vibrations, when you are not installed. Here you can see it, oldie but golden color. Let me show you. I know you want to see from comparable spot. I think the camera was here. I will show you what's the difference in that play. Hopefully this will be apples to apples. I think I was standing right here. Let me push on it the same way like I did before. Right, so already shaking the track on the lift. So the place there is a rubber, that buffer around that bearing which is inside. But look, right, if I try to create any vibration or everything, well, there is a plate, 2 millimeters. Before there was a 12. These are guesstimates of mine. So always some tiny play, but it's a tiny. And the way it was, that was excessive, and that really could cause these vibrations, which basically, as you can see, I barely can move it. So this is good. I think this owner will be very happy.